Hi guys. No, today we're not going to do a mukbang. Today I'm going to come and I'm going to share something that's happened in my hometown that we live in right now in Onalaska, Texas. I had planned to sit out here and do a really cool mukbang with you guys a little later on this afternoon when it cooled off a little bit, but that's not unfortunately what's going to happen. Yesterday around 6 o'clock here in Onalaska, Texas on Lake Livingston, we were hit with a tornado. They're calling it a tornadic supercell. I want to say we don't have any electricity right now and our water just came back on. I want to say that they are calling it a F5. If not, it's an F4. I'm going to put pictures throughout after I do my video. At the end of the video, I'm sorry, I'm so shook. I'm going to put pictures. It's paper plate. I'm going to put pictures of what we recorded and then some pictures that we've gotten off of Facebook. Now we don't have a lot of information because we don't have electricity, so our phones are going dead. We're charging them in the cars, and like I said, we just got our water turned back on. But I wanted to come on here because I need every one of you guys to say a prayer for our town. Anyways, I just need you guys to pray for our town. It's Onalaska, Texas, and it's known as Lake Livingston, Texas. You guys, so far 3 people have passed. There's still people missing. There's people's pets that are missing. Y'all, I'll put a video in, and me and my husband were recording. We've recorded before out here when the weather gets bad, the water, you know, and everything. On this recording, I cut it off. I'm going to show you a little bit of the beginning because in the middle, you guys, I got so terrified. I just the phone went rampant and it just went all over the place, and I'm crying and I'm just kind of freaking out. In the beginning, you can hear me start to pray. Back over here, you'll see in the video, a tornado started, and I tried to catch it on the video because I didn't know how severe things were at the moment, so we were still recording. And it wasn't until I ran through my house and ran to the front of the house and I saw it form and how big it was getting that I just lost it. So you'll see that, and then you'll see then we come back out, and I cut the video off and it comes back on, and you'll see more calmer weather, but still really stormy. I'll put that in the end of this clip, and I'm gonna put some pictures that I've gotten off of Facebook that people have been sharing of their homes and the devastation. We went to go get candles last night, not knowing how bad the tornado had gotten. Just a mile and a half from our house is where it touched down, and it literally looked like a giant had just ran through the middle of the highway and just picked up stuff on each side of the highway and just demolished it. Y'all, it looks like a war zone. Our little town is devastated. We're still without electricity, and this happened yesterday about 6 o'clock. You guys, people lost their homes. They lost I'm trying, you know, this is really hard. There's still people asking, you know, if you found this puppy, if you found this dog, you know. People are I'm not for sure if everybody's accounted for, but at the last I checked, and again, we don't have TV to see what's going on. We're strictly going off of social media and what our town, a little web page that we are connected to, and yeah, it was devastating. It's just devastating. We went to go get candles, and we ended up turning around and coming home because I'll put in there the line of people that were just they were just everywhere trying to get somewhere. ambulance. It is dark. It's late at night, so you really can't see really good, but you can see enough of the havoc and the chaos that's going on in the videos that I posted. I'm going to put them at the end of this video. Guys, I laid down last night and well, this morning, 4 o'clock, I couldn't sleep. I laid down and I tried to sleep, and guys, this just was really, really close. I mean, I couldn't sleep. I couldn't sleep. I eventually went to sleep. But there's people that they've lost loved ones. They've lost their whole entire house. They've lost their pets. They lost their security. You know, it's the little things we take for granted. And I'm really shook. This shook me. This has really shook me. And I feel silly because it passed us, but this really affected me. As I laid there and I tried to sleep, and I kept praying last night, you know, they're numb. My sister just showed me a photo of a friend of hers, and her son was just sitting on a blanket where their house used to be, on a pallet, and she's got her little kid, you know, the little baby's about 2 years old, I think. And you know, and she's just sitting there. It's just horrible. It's just so sad, y'all. I don't even have the right words. I just want to come to y'all, and I want y'all to pray. If you're a believer and if you have faith, and I need y'all to pray for our town, Onalaska, Texas, because it's devastated. It's going to take a while to rebuild, and some people may not even be able to rebuild. These people are older, retirees. It's just devastating, y'all. I'm not gonna make this video long because I'm sure I'm repeating myself, because I'm in shock. I am in shock. You know, look how beautiful it looks today. It's beautiful out here. Yesterday it didn't look like this. I don't know when we'll do a mukbang. We just currently, what food we had in the house, we packed it up, took it to my sister's house, because I am pretty sure we're not getting electricity for a while. The whole town, you guys, go online and look it up. Onalaska, Texas. It's devastating. Anyway, I love you guys, and I appreciate y'all watching. Please pray. Pray for Onalaska, Texas. Pray for the people who lost loved ones. Pray for the ones that are, there's like, I think they said there's about 24 injured, 3 for sure that we know have passed. One was a female. She was about, I think 26 is what they said. They searched for her all throughout the night, and they found her. And I believe, now I'm not correct, but this is what word we're getting, I believe her boyfriend was thrown, I think about 3 houses down, and he was found there, and they took him to the hospital, and he never regained consciousness. I haven't heard anything of the other person. They're saying 3 fatalities here and over 24 injured. Guys, we need your prayers. So like I said, I'm going to cut this short because I don't want to keep rambling, but y'all keep us in your prayers, and just say a prayer for me, because this really has me shook, and I don't get shook easy. We love you guys. Peace. Watch the rest of the clip, because I'm going to add to this. It formed into one and then broke loose. A tornado. Lord be with us. In Jesus' name. Put a hedge about this house. Keep us safe, dear Lord. Oh my God. Oh my God. Good touches. It's forming over there. It just formed over there. Oh my God, we're right in the middle of it. We're right in the eye of it. Oh Lord Jesus. Father. There's one in the kitchen's open too. Both of them. Lord Jesus, put a hedge about our house. In Jesus' name, I pray the blood of Jesus over our home.
Yeah, like I said, I don't know if that's a good sound or bad sound. They just clear all of a sudden.
Look at that. Did you see that over there?
No, I don't think that's
Yeah, it was small trying to touch down.
Compared to the way it was, you see this video and the other one she had, how come it and got all of a sudden.
Look at it twirling up there.
Hey, I went out, we were driving the other day, and I was on the film, I was sick. Now, this is the other one. That's it, yes, I can see now. And I got out the feeling,
Oh my gosh. Well, I'm trying to see where that. Ambulance thing is coming from.
like you said, it was in the middle of the road.